Well, hello and welcome to this instructional video on how to install LogixOne Operator into your Zoho CRM environment. So in this video, I'm just going to show you quickly how easy it is to install LogixOne Operator and get it running inside your environment, plus a little bit of cleanup after the install happens. Okay. So to install LogixOne Operator, you probably found it from the Zoho Marketplace. So we'll just search for it in here. If you haven't already found it, just type in LogixOne and you'll find some of our other plugins or extensions, but also just scroll down here to LogixOne Operator for Zoho CRM and you'll see it here. And all you need to do is click the install button, which is just basically here. So I'll do that. You'll then be asked to accept the terms and conditions plus all the other authorizations. Just tick those two buttons there and then click continue. Now you're able to select who you want to actually see this extension, just your admins only, or you can choose user profiles, but most of the times you want it for all your access to all your users, but you can modify that if you want to. So I'm going to click install for all users, then click confirm, and then we'll see it'll be preparing to install. Okay, and then after the installation has happened, you'll be basically here inside your Marketplace settings, and you can see the extension has actually been installed. Now, you'll notice here, it says in the short description, please note, after this extension has been installed, please go to the LogixOne Operator module. So all you got to do is come up here to your modules, and you won't see it here, but click the three little buttons and click on LogixOne Operator. Okay, when that opens, now the next thing we need to do is authorize. So basically what we need to do is click this authorize button and then accept. All right, and you'll get this note saying your installation of LogixOne Operator is now complete. So you just need to navigate back to that LogixOne Operator module inside Zoho CRM. So we'll close that tab, go back into Zoho CRM, go back to the LogixOne Operator module, and voila, your newly installed instance of LogixOne Operator for Zoho CRM is installed. Now, in this video, we're not going to go into how to use it there for following videos, but just some quick information for you. Right here, if you click the little blue button, you've got all of your support here. And in here are all your how-to videos, plus the knowledge base. You can raise a ticket here if you want. If you've got an issue, then please feel free to raise a ticket there. Or if you want to chat with us, you can click the chat button and chat with us. But this is a great resource for you to be able to get assistance. Now, the LogixOne Operator module basically allows you to do everything inside the module, such as create events and so forth, create operators. You can do it all from inside the LogixOne Operator module. But some people like to create jobs from the native Zoho CRM module. And to do that is quite easy. You just basically go into the sales order module and create a sales order and then enter in your LogixOne job information. Now, when the extension is installed from the Zoho Marketplace, these fields are not laid out very neatly and not in a logical order. So what we highly suggest you do is basically come into your sales order module, edit the layout. So basically edit a sales order and then click this link here, edit page layout. And then what we'll do is we'll just create a new section here called Operator Details. You can name this whatever you want. And then just drag the LogixOne Operator fields from up here down into here. So normally I do it in chronological order. So LogixOne job starts, LogixOne job ends. Okay, LogixOne job service frequency. So this is basically telling you whether it's a one-time or recurring event. The repeat every. The end date for any repeats. The LogixOne Operator. The exclude days. the LogixOne job notification, whether a signature is required, and the job notes down the bottom. And you can select how you want those to go. So, the start time of the job, the end time of the job, whether it's a one time or reoccurring, how often it repeats, the operator you're going to assign it to when that repeat ends. Sorry, I've got those around the wrong way. And exclude days, notification method, the notes, and the whether you want a signature. So basically I've just done that there, and you can see it's just much simpler to do. So I'll just save that. You can create your own layouts here. It's very important that whatever record you're creating, that these fields exist. Otherwise it won't work. It needs these fields to be able to create the jobs. So we'll just go back to sales orders. And now here, some of our customers actually change the name of the sales order module to jobs, but you don't need to. You can leave it as sales orders if you want. So we'll just click create sales order, and you can see all of those fields now are logically laid out within inside the sales order module. So that's basically it. Let's just cancel that because we're going to describe that functionality in upcoming videos. We'll just go back to the LogixOne Operator module. And there you go, you can see it here. You'll know that it's working. Just a quick test to make sure that everything's working. If you just click the map icon, you can see now we're inside a map, inside our map here, so that we can see that running. And if you've got any accounts in your accounts module, we don't have in this environment, you'll be able to map these here, but you'll probably find that this environment actually has, so if we zoom out, no, we don't have any accounts here, but oh yes we do, there we go there. So that's a good way to test that the mapping functionality is working. Just to go into the map, select the account filter, and then click apply, and you'll see all of your accounts inside your CRM map. So that's it. Again, if you have any questions whatsoever, please use the help function here. There's a bunch of great information helping you to get started. And of course, if you get stuck, please raise a ticket with us or chat with us directly, and we'll be more than happy to help you get up to speed with LogixOne Operator for Zoho CRM. Thanks for watching.